since I started working on digital marketing nearly a decade ago, the majority of my daily vocabulary is filled with acronyms like PPC, CPC, CPM, KPI, and hundreds more. These acronyms come and go, but if there's one acronym that has maintained its relevancy for over 2 decades and is still very much relevant today, then it's this SEO, a search engine optimization. SEO is still relevant in 2019 and it doesn't seem to go anywhere, irrespective of the fast-paced changes occurring in the world of digital marketing. Do you feel that SEO is hard and getting results requires waiting for eons? You are wrong on both counts. SEO is not that complicated and you can get instant results if you know what you are doing. Eager to know the secret sauce of SEO? I have created this crash course for absolute beginners, providing you with clear-cut actions that you can take to see instant results in your search engine rankings. In this first installment of this course, we will focus on the basics, the whats and whys of SEO. Do you prefer watching videos rather than reading pages of text? Then check out this video. Let's get started without further ado. What is SEO? Raise your hands if you have ever searched for something online. I guess it would be difficult to find someone who hasn't gone on the internet to look up for something. Congratulations, you know more about SEO than you think. Yes, online searches are the crux of SEO. Let's look into it. When you type a word or phrase on Google, like movies releasing this weekend, the search engine, Google, Bing, etc. displays a bunch of results. All searches have different agendas. In this case, you are interested in booking a movie ticket for the latest movie, and the theaters near you want to capture your attention by appearing on the top of search results. The role of SEO is to ensure that your website appears in the top of search results so that your target audience is more likely to click on it. Let me ask you a question. How many times over the past week have you used Google? And in all those instances, how many times have you gone down to the search results to page 2 or further? Rarely ever, right? See, now you can understand the power of SEO. SEO helps your website rank higher in the search results page. When your page ranks higher, your audience is likely to click on it, discover your products, make purchases, thereby boosting your revenues. Thus, the main objective of SEO is to boost your page ranking. Okay, now that you have understood what SEO is, let's take a look at another important question. Why search engine optimization? Let's say you run a cafe in Gurgaon. People who are looking for cafes in the city are likely to check for Google for suggestions. Let's assume that you have a top-notch cafe with a stellar menu, but you don't do SEO, but your direct competitor does. When a prospective customer searches for best cafes to visit with friends in Gurgaon, your website ranks somewhere on page 3 of search results, while your competitor site ranks on page 1. Where do you think your customers are likely to go? That's right. Without SEO, people cannot find your business in a web search, making you miss out on a key business opportunities. Now, what does SEO do? All SEO strategies have one common goal: to boost search engine rankings. But the way to get there differs. Here are some of the common techniques and practices that you will come across once you start working on SEO for your website. SEO optimizes your website. The starting point for a good SEO strategy is to focus on the technical aspects of your website. Since Google provides searchers with relevant information by crawling your website, your SEO techniques make sure that your site is easy for Google to find relevant information. What does site optimization include? That includes plenty of things, like including a sitemap on your site, adding image tags, optimizing the meta titles and descriptions, ensuring that the site loads quickly across all devices, analyzing the site's design and architecture, making sure it's easy for users to find relevant information, and more. SEO researches keywords. Keywords are nothing but the phrases people enter into Google to find out what they are looking for. Going back to our cafe in Gurgaon example, relevant keywords may be coffee shops in Gurgaon, best cafes for dates in Gurgaon, and more. SEO helps you do the keyword research, finding out which keywords are the most suited for your business. Then you have to include these keywords at relevant places in your website. This process is known as keyword optimization. SEO build links. Links are a crucial component of SEO. SEO uses sophisticated algorithms to determine which site should be ranked higher. One factor Google considers is links. Okay, let me explain links in simple terms. Let's say your site waves a hi to another reputed high-ranking site. The high-ranking site waves a hello back at you. When this happens with several high-quality sites, Google gets the idea that your site is also high quality and trusted, thereby boosting your ranking. In SEO parlance, this is called link building. There are plenty of techniques to get high quality link like guest posting, directory submission, internal link optimization, digital PR, press releases, blogger reviews, and more. SEO builds your authority with great content. Part of SEO is in creating great content for your website, an informative blog post, cool video, providing tools for your readers, an infographic or other great content that people are likely to read, watch and share. That's it folks for today. You know now what SEO is, why SEO and what it does. Still have questions? Shoot me your comments below and we will get talking, and stay tuned for more ideas and actionable tips on how to get your business all the traffic it deserves.